Problem 3, it starts off y equals. Right away, I'm going to use substitution. I'm simply going to substitute 2x plus 4 into that y. Basically, 2x plus 4 is the same value as 3x minus 5. Now, we're looking for the point of intersection. That's what we're trying to find, the one point that makes them both true. So as soon as it says y equals or x equals, I'm using substitution. All I got to do here now is solve for x, and we'll have x's value. Add 5, we got x is going to be 9. 9 is equal to x. We now know x. Now that we know x, we can plug it back into one of the equations to get y's value. I'll use the bottom one. 3 times whatever x is, which is 9, minus 5. 27 minus 5, 27 minus 5, 22. So these guys cross, they intersect that order pair. When x is 9 and y is 22, it'll make both this equation true and that equation true. Solving system of equations here. All right, the next one doesn't have y equals, so I'm going to use elimination. I'm going to add them together and make somebody cancel out. Now, notice if I add them right now, I'm going to get 5n plus 7b. That's not going to do me any good. So I need to manipulate it. How do I want to manipulate it? Well, I'm going to go ahead and manipulate the b's. You can manipulate the n's if you want. It doesn't matter. I'm going to make these guys. Now, what can 2 and 5 both go into? 10. So I'm going to make them, one of them become negative 10, one of them become positive 10. So I'm simply going to take this guy. I'm going to multiply him by negative 5. That'll make it negative 10b. So multiply everybody by negative 5, the whole equation. So it makes it negative 15n minus 10b equals 5 times that is negative 65. Okay, negative 65. This guy, what do I need to make the 5 become a 10? Just multiply by 2. So everybody gets multiplied by 2. 4n plus 10b equals 2 times 27 is what? 54. Put these together. Okay, 15, that's negative 11n. These go away. What about when I add these? These give me negative 11. Beautiful. Divide by negative 11, n is 1. I know n is 1. How do I find b? Just plug it back in. I'll go to the bottom equation. The bottom equation says 2 times n, which is 1, plus 5b equals 27. So I have 2 plus 5b is 27. Minus your 2, 5b is 25. Divide by 5, b is 5. So we know when b is 5 and n is 1, it makes both this equation and this equation true. Now, how to write that as an ordered pair, really don't know, because I don't know whether b comes first or n comes first, but however the graph would be, we could find that they do cross at either 5, 1 or 1, 5, depending on how the graph on which, whether you have n's and b's or b's and n's, it depends. Doesn't really matter here. I just want you to say, hey, b is 5, n is 1. That makes them both true.